This is Makeup Breakup Blog, and today you might have noticed a different look about me. I actually got a haircut. I took off about 2 inches from my hair because my hair was down to here. I had to cut it. So today I am going to be featuring products from the October Allure box. Let's see what's inside. And here is my guide for this month's box. Beautiful picture, beautiful face. Ton full of goodies. And I love where it reads, from the beauty experts. Okay, the first thing in here is from the Nui, or the New, N-U-E Co. company, I'm assuming. See that there? And this is a topical C. Oh, I think this is like a vitamin C serum. We make supplements from clean sources using ingredients that do not harm people or the planet, using the best in science and nature. Fresh vitamin C firms fine lines and smooths, brightens, and it's an antioxidant, which vitamin C is. If you actually ingest it, it's quite good for your body. Potent powdered vitamin C is activated in the palm of your hand, helping to boost collagen production, reduce fine lines, and brighten skin. Ferulic acid stabilizes and increases absorption, while colloidal oatmeal and aloe vera soothe and calm. 2 to 3 shakes. So you blend into your moisturizer, serum, or water. Apply to clean, dry skin daily. And the first one listed in here, which is odd, is tapioca starch along with absorbic acid, then the ferulic acid twice, then avena sativa oat kernel flour, and aloe barbaneous leaf juice. So at least this is kind of ingredients that I can pronounce, which is nice. Something along the way, it's like if you can't pronounce an ingredient, some people say, then don't bother putting it on. But for me, it's like if I can look it up, that might help resolve it. But yeah, it's definitely a powder. And it's in a dark container because vitamin C does tend to change and get spoiled a bit if you leave it out in any kind of direct light source. So try to keep this in a dark place in your room. Okay, I don't smell anything, but it has a little hole there. Let's see if it, yep, there it goes. It is a powder. So you see that there? And I guess you mix it. It feels very fine. And again, I don't really catch a scent. But I guess this gets activated with water. This I definitely have to try. Already loving this, but again, keep this out of any kind of light source. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I got this. This is from the brand Reverso, and this is their Super Eye Serum. I'm running low on my other one. Yes, $65. And you can get this from the Verso skincare line. I did not mention how much the other piece is, the New. The New runs $70. Wow, so already you're getting a bang for your buck right here with the Allure box. All right, so the next thing in here is, oh, a nail, is this a nail polish? I don't, static nails. Okay, it's a pretty color, if you see that there. It's not normally, I don't normally wear nail polish. I used to, but not so much anymore, but I can readily pass this on to someone. It's a beautiful color. The price for this is, it's called Station Nails, and you can find this from their website, stationnails.com. The price tag for this little baby is $16. Let's see. Okay, the next thing in here, from Dr. Jart. Show that for you right there. This is the Dr. Jart Ceramidin cream. Ceramide. Okay, ceramide. When I was working my first beauty job, I thought moisturizers were supposed to just hydrate, but I was wrong. They also make sure your face retains as much existing moisture as possible. The ceramidin line uses a blend of ceramides or ceramides, fat, juicy molecules that act like glue between skin cells, so precious moisture can't escape. The cream also has botanical extracts like artichoke, smooths fine lines, and turmeric, antibacterial. Ooh. It spreads like soft butter and creates a lightweight barrier. I like to think of it as the saran wrap of my skin routine when moisture gets trapped in for the day ahead. And the price for this full size is $48 US. What? Wow. Ooh. The next little bad boy in here is from Sigma. Sigma liquid lipstick. You see that there? And this is in the shade Venom. The editor's note is, at a time when loungewear has become workwear, a little lipstick can go a long way toward making me feel more put together on a Zoom call. Venom is a classic red, not too orange, with blue undertones. When it comes to bold shades, I prefer a liquid formula that I don't have to constantly touch up. Okay. This one goes on with velvety consistency that's opposite of drying. That's because it's not a matte, it's satin. Ooh. But what's most impressive is the staying power. When the color did start to fade after I started eating, it happened gracefully without leaving behind those crumbly bits you can sometimes get after your liquid lipstick has stayed on too long. And the price for this is $20 US. I gotta see what it looks like inside. Why not? Okay, that's the lipstick. It's so little. Okay, and ooh. Okay, we'll put this on the side here so you can see. It's a very nice color, and it is blue toned, so that's nice. All right, a skincare product. What? I have trouble saying this name, but there you go. It could be La Roche-Posay or La Roche-Posay. And this is the Car Balm AP+. At Allure, we talk a lot about basic moisturizers, okay? Simple formulas that make skin glow without the extra stuff, like fragrances that can dehydrate or create sensitivity. This pair-back formula fits the bill. It's gentle enough for eczema-prone skin and babies, but effective enough that it got rid of a stubborn flaky patch where my ring rubs against my pinky. It's rich and creamy, yet unassuming after it's applied. There's no slippery feel, no strong scent to compete with my perfume. After using it, my arms and legs were soft and my hands were pre-pandemic level smooth. And this is from the Deputy Beauty Director writing this. The price for this at 400 ml is $19.99, and you can get it from the website. This I don't think is full size. No, this is 15 ml. This is the sample size. Let's see how it looks. Put a little on there. I don't want to use a lot. That's how it looks like on camera. Nothing too fancy. It's very thick. Very thick. And it doesn't have doesn't have a flowery scent, doesn't have a perfume scent. It just smells kind of like plain, if that, for lack of a better word. It just smells like lotion in a way. But it goes on very thick. This is an ideal winter creme or cream. Definitely ideal. What brand does this remind me of with the thickness? I think CeraVe or CeraVe. CeraVe. That's the thickness. It feels like akin to that. And I'm trying to see what this is called. This is something called Native Fig. So I didn't get the collagen eye pads. Did I? Maybe. Let's see. This just says, feel the good, pure, and simple. This is the blend of fig, vitamin C and E, and calcium. Gently cleanses and replenishes hair's moisture levels while softening and detangling, free of sulfates, parabens, silicones, artificial colorants, gluten, and cruelty. I'm assuming they mean cruelty-free. For hair, I'm definitely going to try it. All right, and last but certainly not least is the Wilma Shumann Hydrating Collagen. The price of this is only $18 for 5 applications. It's an intense hydration boosting treatment for the eye contour area with 100% pure collagen. It says for all skin types, contains soothing and hydrating ingredients. will visibly and effectively improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and reduce puffiness. Super hydrating gel pads are easy to use and are non-irritating, clinically and allergy tested. And of course it gives directions on the back. Never heard of this brand, but I love things that are hydrating, that take care of the skin, especially the skin around the eyes and face. So I will definitely be trying this out. Probably in the video on my, I'm trying to get back into the groove for Sunday skin soothers and smoothers. And if I don't post it here, most likely I'll post on Instagram. Please follow me on my Insta to find out when my next skin soothers will be up. It had a little bit of everything. It had a little bit of lipstick. It had a little bit of skincare, a little bit of hair care, and a lipstick. So I will give this month's Allure Beauty Box an A. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Are you an Allure subscriber? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for watching me on my latest makeup box subscribing adventure, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.